Hello YouTube, welcome to another Freeze tutorial, and in this tutorial, it's my first tutorial on the program called GIMP, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take an image and to insert it into the text. So first of all, what you need to do is open up any web browser, and you need to go to google.com or Yahoo or any image you would like to do, and you just want to get your image. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using New York City lights, or like the city. Okay, so I'll just type in New York City, and okay, right here, as you can see, it has the bridge and the rest of New York City. And what you need to do is copy the image, open up your GIMP. Actually, copy the image URL unless you're making a banner that has to have a certain size. But you can copy the image URL and insert it into GIMP, or you can copy the image. Right now, I'm just going to be copying the image URL. Maybe I'm not. Okay, so create a new image and just copy and paste it. Actually, I need to make this smaller. Okay, that's better. Now it's good. Okay, as you can see, I have my background. You can see like the New York City lights and the golden and the bridge with all lights. So what you need to do now is just merge all the layers or flatten the image, and then take your text tool and create text. I'm gonna just use freeze, and I'm gonna change the font and the size. So once you have like all your fonts selected, and the color of your text selected, now what you need to do is right click, layer, transparency, alpha to selection. Once again, layer, transparency, alpha to selection. Now once that's up, you'll see that around your text you have little animated dots or lines. That's good. Next thing we need to do is you need to go to your layers dialog, and you need to, you can see that you have a freeze text layer and a background layer. On your freeze text layer, or whatever your text name is, see this little eye right here? You just want to click that so it's not visible. Then next thing you need to do is you can go ahead and delete that that layer, but make sure it's still highlighted. Next, see this background layer? What you need to do is you need to click on that, select, float. Once again, click select, then float, and then it'll say floating selection, floated layer. Right now you need to create a new layer, or just go right here, new layer, and then delete the background layer. And as you can see, I have a freeze, but inside my text I have New York City lights. And they went from this to this. So yeah, you can make this a very, very cool text effect, and you can do it with any image that you would like to use. So I hope that you guys learned a lot, and thanks for watching this tutorial.